Yes, young lady, may I help you today?
Could I get one New York Times special, the Aki way?
Sure, sure.
So let's rewind a couple of weeks. As a food journalist, oftentimes for me, the most interesting stories aren't the ones that take place in the four walls of the restaurant, but rather the ones that tell the story about the labor, often unseen, that keeps us fed in different cities. And here in New York, that often starts with the bodega. Bodegas are the lifeblood of this city. They are community centers. They are the place to pick up your morning breakfast sandwich, that can of chickpeas that you forgot to get on a grocery run. They're a place to meet colorful characters and funnily named bodega cats. So I wanted to meet a bodega owner and understand what stakes they're up against every day, how they basically run a grocery store, restaurant, community hub all at the same time. And for this particular bodega owner, how they also manage being TikTok famous.
Put the burger on the ground. Then you put the steak on the ground.
These like abrupt cuts. I love it.
Good smell. You should be well rested.
Sabah al khair. Good morning.
How you doing, my man?
Hey, mama, how you doing, auntie?
Sandwich King of breakfast.
My name is Rahim Mohammed. I'm a manager of 603 Clinton Street. You have a blessed day, mama. Trying to serve the community, making sure everything is in my bodega.
I believe they make Dunkaroo cereal. This is news to me.
How you
Nice to meet
doing?
you. I'm
Likewise. Nice to meet you, Rahim. Let me make his breakfast real. I got you.
Sure. Do you now get like a lot of customers requesting like, Rahim, make my
Yeah,
sandwich?
like especially the Aki way.
Can I get one bacon, egg, and cheese the Aki way?
Sure, sure. Aki in Arabic is like a brother. Aki way basically is my way to designing the sandwich, making it look nice. I always make sure, are you allergic to this or that? Should I make fries? Will I mozzarella sticks? Okay. Yes, sir, may I help you today?
Chopped cheese on a French toast pancake, the Aki way.
Sure,
The Aki way.
sure,
BLT, the Aki way on this?
sure.
The Aki way is just like made with care.
I like to add up what I think is correct. Sometimes I know I make it crazy, but
Oh my God. How do you eat that in one bite?
now we wrap it up. And the result is OMG. Can't forget the best. Never, never, never. Now we serve it to the customer. There you go, young man.
Tell me about how the TikTok started.
My little brother, he downloaded. I don't even know my password. I don't even know my TikTok password. Nothing. He did it. I was like, let's do a bacon, egg, and cheese on the honey butter. Yes, sir. May I help you today?
Yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, yo.
Yo, what the?
On a honey bun, bro.
The first day went up to I think 100,000 views. I was so hyped, crazy. I had only like 16,000 followers by December. Now, thanks guys, 2.4 million followers. That's a lot.
Rahim, how old were you when you came from Yemen?
I was 10.
He's really not the age he say he is. He ages backwards.
I'm assuming you have a ton of regulars.
I've been in this community for like 22 years. What do you mean? Come back. Came straight to Notion Atlantic. My stepfather, and he had a store over there. We started with him because he couldn't do it by himself since Muhammad age, learning.
You're 10 and you work cash register like you're 25 years old.
That's my nephew. He used to be a TikToker, yeah. He had 150,000 followers and they banned him.
Because you were a kid on the grill, they shut it down?
Yeah, I do like what he does.
Wait, but I say you don't like cooking.
I mean, yeah, but
If it's for TikTok, oh my God. Doesn't like cooking unless it's for TikTok.
When I started doing the deli first time, I think I was in the age of 13, 14.
Wow. Do people now come in just because they've seen you on TikTok?
Yeah.
Came from Baltimore to see the Ak. Drove 4 hours to get here.
Yes, sir. With Cali representing.
Yes, it is. Shout out to Dallas, Texas. Rosemount, Minnesota. And we're gonna get one with all of us outside.
Hell yeah.
Chopped cheese on a grilled cheese, the Aki way.
Bacon, egg, and cheese on the hash brown.
Sausage, egg, and cheese on waffle. Chopped cheese, grilled cheese with hot Cheetos, the Aki way. And he put mott sticks in there.
Yeah, it's really good.
Have you made a good amount of money from TikTok?
Yes, I did. Not as bad. I did. It's good.
Like a game-changing amount of money?
I don't even need to be coming show. I could come just do the video and leave.
Business is hopping. He doesn't seem that stressed though. He's super chill.
Did I miss anybody with the chicken? You got everybody got one? On
There's like a line already all the way into the cereal.
Sure. Can't forget the bab. I got you, mommy. I make a nice steak. Okay. 100 sandwiches of Aki way. Regular sandwiches, I do over 200-300 sandwiches. This is yours right here.
I rolled the chopped cheese with fries and runny egg on a hamburger bun.
Like, what are some of the weirder requests that you've gotten for sandwiches?
I had a bacon, egg, and cheese with gummy worms.
What?
Popped up bacon, egg, and cheese inside the roll. That was not bad. Yes, young lady, may I help you today?
Could I get one New York Times special, the Aki way?
Sure. We're gonna make something special for you.
You like cannot help but be so joyful when he says sure.
We got some nice shrimp and salmon.
Whatever you want, I eat everything.
All right.
What's the hardest part of your job?
You see how I just got a big order to next door?
Yeah.
I gotta go fix that. So basically, I work in both stores. I don't just do it. How you doing, Pop? Chicken chipotle, we have one on the wrap. Every day I stock and I work all over. It's like, I don't have a main position of my inside.
Okay.
I do everything.
You do everything?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's one thing what my dad told me about running a bodega. He told me, son, if you're not on top of what you own, you will lose. Because ain't nobody gonna do exactly what you will do for your own store. I'm a good stocker. I like to stock. I will make you think it's a board. Usually I will put like the Pop-Tart next to these fruit snacks. The cookies we will leave it one spot all together.
I feel like you have a uniquely good selection of flavors. Are you really into cereal?
They love cereal.
Yeah.
We sell because look where I'm at. Like the big.
Yeah,
There's no big like supermarket or things out here.
I didn't know Arizona iced tea made that many flavors.
Yeah, we do. We have all flavors.
Bacon, egg, and cheese with Taki's the Aki way. No other way.
This is a New York Times special.
Why does this sandwich feel like the New York Times special?
I just can't pop up to my mind.
This one's mine. Very little idea of what I'm about to eat, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. All right,
Bismillah.
Let's check it out.
You got your bev?
Can't forget the bev. Forget the bev.
Never.
Can't forget the bev.
Never. Can't forget the bev. What a bev.
I don't know. What kind of bev
You gotta
do you
grab
think?
a bev, young lady.
All right. Okay, let me go find one. Shoot. Do we have? This is really hard. So many options.
What do you think about this, man?
I'm gonna get one of these. All right, got my beverage.
And the result is...
Oh, it's pretty awesome.
OMG. Can't forget the bev.
Got it.
Never.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I can frankly say I don't think I've ever had a sandwich like this. It's on knish. It's got salmon, shrimp, broccoli, potatoes. He calls it the New York Times special. I think he thinks we're like seafood and veggie people. Honestly, that's really good. Oh my God, any sandwich with like griddled fried bread and spiced potatoes. Oh my God, that's awesome. Raheem, this is awesome. This is so good.
It tastes good?
I was a little skeptical of salmon with
I-
potatoes, but it's a really good combo.
Come on, it's nice. Yes, young lady, how you doing, auntie?
At this point, you're just running the bodega because you love it.
This is my brother's, my store getting ready in God's will, inshallah, before Christmas.
Do you mind showing me the store next door?
Yeah, sure.
Let's check it out.
No problem. Every Saturday, Sunday, I get this crowd, like, even Friday, it be busy.
And you feel like it makes it hard to do like the other parts of your job?
If I have more help, I could do, you could do. You see now, I'm still doing everything.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
people expect to see like you as
Yeah.
the guy at the griddle
Yes.
making the sandwiches. Do you consider your job to be really like difficult?
Some people don't know, but to me, I do anything. Hair, like I do sodas, anything, clean up, stock.
But do you feel like your job is really hard?
My job is very hard. Yes, it is.
I'm glad you recognize that. 'Cause
Huh?
it is a really hard
It is
job.
very hard.
That feels, I don't know, it feels a little unsustainable. Like, I feel like you need to get to a place where you can, do it all, right? Like, there's so many customers, and having to say that, like, to do that every single time for every customer, like.
Sure.
It's exhausting.
Hopefully, it's gonna be just that part now soon. When I move to Manhattan, maybe they're gonna,
Like all you'll do is just do
like
the
Salt
cut.
Bay doing it. There's the salt and.
Is being Salt Bay, is that what you want? Like,
As when I seen Salt Bay, my heart got a little stronger, and I was like, I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing, because look where the position where he started from. Look where he's at. I started in a store. Hopefully now, my location is gonna be good when I open it.
it's a lot of
We're
work.
gonna have the never sandwich. Can't forget the Bev sandwich. We're gonna have all that.
What are gonna be on this? What's on the?
Crazy. I can't tell you, young lady. Yes, young lady, may I help you today?
Can I get the New York Post special, the Aki way?
Sure. Yes, sir, may I help you today?
Yo, what's good, Aki? Let me get the chopped cheese on this green pepper, the only way, the Aki way.
Sure. Yes, young lady, may I help you today?
Can I get Fruity Pebbles pancake sausage?
Sure. Yes, WWE champion Big E, may I help you today?
What does your stepdad think?
My stepdad was laughing at me in the beginning. He was like, what are you doing, huh? He would think that I'm gonna get lost. You know? How he see rappers with the chain, like this is against our religion with change or whatever.
Yeah.
So Dad, this is a cooking part. Rappers might come to me, Dad, and order some food. He realizing now, looking at it and seeing people really telling like your son's doing very good. And he see me in the news. He's really happy now.
That's right, serving the community since he was little.
You see? Look.
I'll let you get back to your customers.
Sure. Let me go get.